Okay. Victim. Bitch. I got Dipple in my lip, you can bet your ass I'm buzzing. Fucking all these girls, I don't care if that's your cousin. I be drinking beer, but weed I don't be puffin'. Why you trying to hate just because my crew is stuntin'? Trying to make some dough, looking for some fame. Make a couple moves, trying to make a change. Best be ready, there's a new white boy in this game. And just a little warning to make them other dudes look lame. I spit my shit so nicely, make your boyfriend want to fight me. If I was a Facebook post, yo bitch would like me. It's just me, myself, and I. And damn, we getting high fee. I usually don't smoke, but pass that shit and light me.
I like my music real loud, real loud. Can you turn that shit up for me right now, right now? Here it come, there it go. Ask your homies, ask your hoes. If you didn't, now you know. Never keep your pockets low. I like my music real loud, real loud. Can you turn that shit up for me right now, right now? Here she come, there she go. Never chasing after hoes. If you didn't, now you know. Never keep your pockets low.
Shouts out to the homies, YSM they tight. When people hear me rap, they're surprised that I am white. I've been sitting in the studio for 2 whole fucking nights. So when this song comes out, I'm really hoping that it's fucking nice. I'm thinking of the rap life, living so lavish, chilling with all these bitches, guaranteed that they the baddest. With a big ass mansion, maybe even a fucking palace. And if you still hating, I'll smack you with the fucking mallet. The way I flow coming from the dome, nobody can take me out this zone. Bitch, when we're done, don't call my phone. I'ma be a rapper till I'm 80 years old. I'm still cold, I'm still hot, whatever you call it, I still pop. I ain't stopping till I hit the top, so move out of my fucking spot.